Hi children, good morning. How are you children? I hope you all are fine with your family children. Yes. Now children, today we learn second class social studies. Yes children. Now everyone take out your social studies book. Yes children. Already we learned what are we doing lesson notes completed. Lesson and notes completed, isn't it children? Yes. Now children, today we learn air we breathe. Yes children. 11th lesson level air we breathe. Yes children, air we breathe. Yes children, we breathe air children. Okay, take off, we can't dash air. You see the air children? No, only we feel the air. We can't see air children. A dash needs to move. What children? Wind. Smoke is dash for the air. Pollution. See children here, right children, take off. First one is C. S-E-E-C. Second one is W-I-N-D, wind. And third one is pollution. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N, pollution. What is the weather like in the picture? See children here, warm up. What is this picture children? What is the weather this picture? See children here. Yes. Air is all around us. Yes children, air is all around us. It moves from one place to another. Yes children, air is move one place to another place. It can be hold or hot and cold. Yes children, air is sometimes is hot and sometimes is cold. Yes children, air has speed. This is why we feel the air is or hair starts blowing on a windy day. Yes children, the air has speed children. Why we feel our hair start blowing on a day, windy day. Hair is fast children. See children here, this picture. The air is so fast, that is windy day. Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. Winds blow in a direction. Yes children, winds blow in a direction. The plants way in the direction of the wind. Yes children, where the wind is coming, the plant also go that side only children. See this one? Okay, next. When the wind is too strong, it becomes a storm, it can be uproot trees. Yes children, when the wind is too strong, the plant's roots is strong, can be uproot trees children. Trees also up to roots children. Air has weight. We can't see air, but it take up space as weight. Air has weight children, but we can't see the air. Take up space and air weight. When we blow air in the flat balloon, the balloon take up space and they become heavy. Yes children, when we blow the flat balloon children, the balloon take up space and heavy become children. Yes children, take one balloon, flat balloon, you flow children, the balloon is so weight children, the air is weight. Okay? Yes children, do it yourself. Yes, take a two balloon, tie on a balloon one to one side of a hanger. Blow up the air balloon, hang it on the other side. On the hanger, what do you see? You will see the hanger tilts towards the blow up balloon. If you hold both the balloons in your hand, you feel that the balloon filled with the air is heavier. That the balloon is because air has wet. See children here, take one hanger. Okay children, take two balloons. blow children, blow to, and tie the hangers, and one is put out. So air is finished. So what is the air? That balloon is air, that is the weight balloon. See children here. So air is weight children. Okay, air is useful. Air is useful for all of us. Yes children, air is very useful for all of us. Air helps carry seeds of tree and plants to other places. Later these seeds help morning new plants. Yes children, air helps carry seeds to trees and plants to other places. Seeds, yes children, the seeds of tree plants to other places, and later these seeds help in the morning new plant. Okay children, see children here, aeroplane. See children, aeroplane. Then air helps aeroplane to fly in the air. Yes children, air is help aeroplane in the fly in the air. Air helps aeroplane to fly in the air children. Next children, our helps carry seed. And children, air helps to move the blades of windmills. Air is a filled in a football. Air helps to dry clothes. Yes children, aeroplane fly in the air. Helps children. Air helps to aeroplane to fly in the air. And next one children, see children, here one plant is there. Air helps carry seeds. Help also carry to seeds children. And air helps to move the blades of windmill. Yes children, air helps to move this windmill children. See. Okay. And football also fill in a air. And air helps to dry clothes. Yes children, air also helps to dry clothes. Yes children, so everyone take out your social classwork book. I'll give some hard words. Okay children, now take out your social classwork book children. Yes children, ready children? Yes children, first write on the book in your lesson name children. Air we breathe. Write the lesson name in your classwork book. Okay children, write neatly. Everyone should write neatly children. Okay, ready with pencil, eraser, everything. Yes children, ready children? Hard words. Finish children, write your lesson the name on your book. Write the lesson the name. Yes. Hard words children. First one. Breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. Second one. Wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. Fourth one. Storm. S-T-O-R-M. S-T-O-R-M, storm. And fifth one is direction, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S, directions. Fourth one, only direction children. Fourth one, weight, W-E-I-G-H-T, weight. Fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, A-I-R, air. Seventh one, seeds, S-E-E-D-S, seeds. Eighth one, clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean. And ninth one, burning, B-U-R-N-I-N-G, burning. Tenth one is balloon. Yes, children, B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon. 11th one is vehicles, V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, vehicles. And 12th one is pollution, P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N. Yes, children. These 12 hard words write neatly in your classwork book. Now, children, start writing. Yes, children. Finish, children, writing these hard words. Yes, children. Everyone, repeat these hard words after me. Okay, children. First one, breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. Second one, wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. W-I-N-D, wind. Storm, S-T-O-R-M, storm, S-T-O-R-M, storm. Directions, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N, direction, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N, direction. Weight, W-E-I-G-H-T, weight, W-E-I-G-H-T, weight. Air, A-I-R-A, A-I-R-A. Seeds, S-E-E-D-S, seeds, S-E-E-D-S, burning. Balloon. 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 Vehicles. 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 Pollution. 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 Vehicles. 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 Balloon. 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 Yes, children. Burning. 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 Clean. 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 Seeds. 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 Air. AIR. Weight. 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 Direction. 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 Storm. 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 Wind. 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 Breathe. BREATH. Yes, children. Finish, children. You are writing in your hard words. See, children. Air we breathe. Yes, children. Air is all around us. Air is all around, but we can't see air, but we feel air, children. Okay. Moving air is called wind. Blow in a direction. Moving air is called wind. Wind is a blow direction. The plants sway in the direction of the wind. Yes, children. Wind is direction that place. Plants also sway direction of the wind. Winds become too strong. Become a root storm. A storm can be uproot trees. Yes, children. Wind is strong, children. A storm can uproot trees, children. Air has weight. Yes, children. Air has weight. We can't see air, but take a space as weight. When we balloon in the flat, the balloon takes space, become heavy. Yes, children. Air is weight. You fill the air in the balloon. Balloon is heavy, children. Okay? Understood? Air is useful to which stick, children? Flight to aeroplane. And children, air helps to carry seeds. Air helps to move the blades and windmills. Air is filled in a balloon. Air helps to dry clothes. Isn't it, children? Yes. So, children, finish, children, this hard words writing. Now, children, one more repeat this hard words, children. Okay? Write neatly in your classwork book, children. Okay? Yes. Now, children, one more repeat after me, children. Everyone repeat, children. Okay? Everyone repeat. So, keep finger on your book, children. Keep finger. Yes. BREATHE. 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 Wind. 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 Storm. 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 Direction. 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 Yes, children. One hard work. Learn 3 times, children. Okay? Weight. 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 What, children? Yes, weight. AIR. AIR. Seeds. 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 Clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Burning. B-U-R-N-I-N-G. Burning. B-U-R-N-I-N-G. Burning. B-U-R-N-I-N-G. Burning. Balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. Vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S. Vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S. Vehicles. Pollution. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N. Pollution. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N. Pollution. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N. Pollution. Yes, children. Finish, children. Yes. Yes, children. Yes, children. Breathe. Breathe, children. We breathe. We breathe. Air, children, is compulsory. Every breathe. We air. We breathe. Wind, children. Moving air is called wind. Breathe. Air is breathe, children. Okay. Strong. When the wind is too strong, becomes a strong, children. Okay. Direction. Move air is called wind. The wind blow in a direction. Weight. Air is weight, children. Okay. Air is weight. Seed. Air helps to carry seeds. Air helps carry seed. Clean. Yes, children. Every day we should clean our house. Burning. Burning. Yes, children. Smoke, air, dirty. Burning. Burning of wood, paper and leaf, bursting crackers make the air dirty. Yes, children. Burning of wood, paper and leaf, bursting of crackers make the air is dirty. Balloon. Balloon, children. Yes. Balloon is weight. Air is flow. Balloon is weight. Vehicles. Yes, children. Vehicles. Air becomes dirty. Release. Air becomes dirty when dust, smokes, harmful gases released from the factories and vehicles. Pollution. Yes, children. Pollution. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N. Pollution. Yes, children. Pollution is dirty for air. This factories and what, children? Vehicles also smoke in air, children. That is the pollution is dirty. Pollution. Yes, children. One more time. Repeat these hard words. Breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. Wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. Strong. S-T-O-R-M. Strong. Direction. D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N. Direction. Weight. W-E-I-G-H-T. Weight. W-E-I-G-H-T. Weight. A-I-R-A. Everyone repeat, children. A-I-R-A. Seeds. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Burning. B-U-R-N-I-N-G. Burning. Balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. Vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S. Vehicles. Pollution. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N. Pollution. Understand, children? Finish your hard words writing? Yes, children. Now it's time for Sakshi, children. Sakshi, write in your classwork book corner. Okay, children? Sakshi, homework, lesson number 11, hard words. homework 2 times. Yes, children. Right, Sakshi children, Sakshi homework. Lesson number 11, hard words, homework 2 times. Yes, children. These hard words, breathe, B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe, W-I-N-D, wind, S-T-O-R-M, strong, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N, direction, W-E-I-G-S-T, weight, A-I-R, aid, S-E-E-D-S, seeds, C-L-E-A-N, clean, burning, B-U-R-N-I-N-G, burning, balloon, B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon, vehicles, V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, vehicles, pollution, P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N. Yes, children, these hard words write in your classwork book homework 2 times, children. Understood? Your homework is finished, children. You take the photo and send me school mail ID. School mail ID, what is the children school mail ID? My school, my homework @gmail.com. You send your homework, children. I'll check your homework compulsory, children. Okay, children, understood? Yes, children. Will you make to next section? Bye. Take care.